Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my channel. Today I will tell you why should you buy a old laptop rather than a new laptop. In my hand today is Fujitsu i5 second generation laptop with 2 GB of graphic card, 4 GB RAM, 320 GB of hard disk. So the matter here is why should you buy a old one. This laptop will cost you around 14,000 and there are hardly anything which is not available in this laptop. It comes with the Windows 7 i5 second generation and 4 GB of RAM, and it is occupied with a 320 GB of hard disk as well, and it has 2 GB of the graphic card as well. If you go with the HP or Dell, that will cost you around 15,000. That's not a big price difference or something like that. But why should you buy an old one? If you go with the same configuration, it will come with the i5 9th or 10th generation. Do you know what's the difference in the generations and all is basically based on the graphics. How many of you work on the graphics? I think only 5 or 10% of the people. And if you go with the new laptop, you have to spend around 40 to 45,000 for the same configuration only. And here's the prices, 14 to 15,000. And in the least case, if the laptop works for around 1 year, you can say, and after that you sell it for 7,000, then the total loss in this laptop, all laptop will be of 7,000 only. But on the another hand, if you go with new laptop, you buy it for the 45,000, and after 1 year you want to sell it, it will go for 20,000, and there is a huge difference in the price. But on the same hand, if you want the latest graphic or you want the latest configuration for gaming, then you have to go with the new laptop. Hope this video will help you and solve your questions for buying a new or old laptop. If you have any of the queries, you can comment in the comment section. I will solve it. Thank you for watching.